If your rear glass on your Jeep Liberty does this when you lift it up, don't take it to the shop. Please, please, please don't take it to the shop. It is an extremely easy fix. Anyone can do it. The parts are super cheap. And if you take it to shop, you are just gonna way overpay for something that's really simple and only takes minutes to fix. So now obviously, as you can guess, or you should be able to guess, the reason it's doing that is because these struts are old and bad. Now this Jeep is a 2007, so it is almost 20 years old now, and these actually gave out a couple years ago. So all you need to do is buy replacement struts. And the only tool you really need is a flathead screwdriver. Now I got these replacement struts, they're off of Amazon called Arana struts. You could buy OEM, but that's kind of pricey, so I'll just get these. They're usually, you know, pretty much the same thing anyway. And I literally paid like less than $20. I think I paid like 17 bucks after tax for these. And as you can see inside the package that we just opened up, we got, I don't know what is this? Just basic info. And then it has gas strut installation guide, which I'm gonna go through that with you, but really it is very easy to do. Yeah, I'm not even gonna bother with these because I've changed these struts, or at least taken them on and off vehicles so many times. Now you can see it's got these little straps on it. And the reason for that is because it is compressed right now. And as soon as you let go of the strap, this is gonna shoot out. So you just do have to be careful. Like, don't point it at your face when you're doing this. Yeah, it's pretty tight, so I lied. You will also need a pair of scissors. So, I mean, that doesn't really shoot out that much. So I'm just gonna go ahead, do that for both. Set these aside. Now what you'll want is, you will want to have this open. Clearly the struts aren't doing the job. All you need is some kind of stick, just something to keep it propped open. Me, I'm a hockey player and I have hockey sticks laying around. So I'm just gonna stick that in there and just right through there. And there we go, that'll keep it open. And then on these struts, I'll just show you on the new one, there is this little metal band that kind of goes around on each end. You can see there's a hole. So it's basically like a ball. It's like a ball and socket joint, like your shoulders. And all you have to do is get your flathead underneath this and essentially pull it up. But the first thing, you need to take the old ones off. So simple enough. Again, just get your screwdriver under, see how that pulls off. Once you've got it high enough, it just comes right off. There's the ball. And then same thing on this side here. This side has a little smaller of an opening, so you may want a smaller tip screwdriver. And there you go. One strut off. Then since the stick is supporting the glass, I'm just gonna take this other side off too. And you may have to kind of move the glass to get in position because it may be binding a little bit, kind of like what I just did, but usually not too much. Same thing there, and there we go. Old struts off. Now we just grab our new struts, and same thing. So the bulk part goes on the body, the thinner side goes on the glass, and this actually should just pop in. So you don't need the screwdriver to install it. You only need it to take the old ones off. And then you're just gonna wanna lift that all the way, just like that. Now the other side, pop that on, raise the glass to match that up. Of course, you can clean those balls up too. And take your support out and look at that. It is now holding up. There we go. Let's pop it open. Boom, just like that. So literally less than 20 bucks and a few minutes with just a pair of scissors and a little flathead screwdriver. As you see, mine is actually broken. It's not even a good one. And that's how easy it is. And this is the same procedure for anything with a strut. Hoods, trunk lids, pretty much anything that's a strut, the procedure is the same. They all work the same. They've been working the same for years and years and years and years. My 2020 Challenger has the same style struts on its hood and trunk lid. And I will add a link down in the description down below to these struts that I bought for this Jeep, because as you can see, they work. They're the exact same size. So Exact same size. The strut part is a little bit longer on these Aranas, but the overall length is the same. And yeah, that works out great. And I don't know how much they'll charge you at the shop, but I wouldn't be surprised if it's like $200 or something versus less than 20. So thank you for watching. Hope this video helped. So like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you out on the road.